Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'd like to show you how you can transfer your file from laptop to iOS device using a simple method. This is nothing but Wi-Fi transfer. Uh, for this you need to stay both device, your laptop and iOS device under same network. Here you can see my iPhone. So I like to show. Here you can see this is the under Pollock network, and I like to show my laptop is under Pollock network. So you need to step both device under the same network, Wi-Fi network. So now for this process you need one special app, which is nothing but document app. Here you can see the documents app. You can find this app at the easily from App Store. So for this you need to go to App Store and search document. You can find this app easily. This is a free app, so you can find easily. You can download easily without any cost. After downloading this app, go to document. On the other side you need to open your browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Here you need to go to doctransfer.com. You can find this link in my description below. You can also find the link. Just go to open your document app and go to services. Here you can see one option, Wi-Fi transfer. Then open Wi-Fi transfer. When you open Wi-Fi transfer, your phone will open a barcode scanner. Here you can see barcode scanner, and at the top you can find the document transfer, docstransfer.com. so go to doctransfer.com first at your laptop, and then just you will find a barcode and scan the barcode. Here you can see it's scanning the barcode. So after scanning you can see my phone is showing connected, and my laptop is connected also. So here you can see at my Google Chrome page is showing all my files of under the documents. So for this tutorial I'm already select some test file. Here is some test file, image, PDF, mp3 and video. So I like to transfer both these 4 files in my iOS device. So for this, go to the page. I like to transfer all my test file in the test folder, this folder. So open this folder. After open, just select upload file and select which file you want. I like to transfer this 4 file. Then just click open. Here you can see it's uploading all the files, all the 4 files. It's depend on your internet speed connection. Now I like to show. Here you can see it's transferring the file. If your file size is large, then you need more time, and if your file size is small, then you will get the file easily within short time. so it's 88%. Okay, 100%. Here you can see both file I got. So I like to here is my all the files. Here you can see. So in this way you can transfer both file, and you also can transfer from your iOS device to laptop. So in my previous video I was show how you can download MP3 in your iOS device without any iTunes software or any laptop or desktop, and also how you can download video, audio, MP3 and documents in your iOS device without any laptop or desktop or any iTunes. You can find the link in my description below. Now I like to show how you can transfer from your iOS device to desktop. Just I like to download this free file in my desktop. So just select files, then just click download. Here you can see my file is downloading. It's under zip file. Okay, download finish. Now I like to unzip. Here you can see I have 3 files in my desktop. These 3 and these 3 are in my iOS device. So in this way you can download your file from iOS to your laptop or desktop, and also from laptop to desktop to iOS device. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.